Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see, does the Samsung Galaxy A17 have Samsung AI features or not? Now, the Samsung Galaxy A17 only has a few AI features, like Circle to Search and Gemini. Now, to enable Circle to Search, just open Settings, then tap on Display. And from here, just tap on Navigation bar, and make sure you enable Circle to Search. And after you enable this toggle, you will be able to use Circle to Search. Now, to use Circle to Search, just tap and hold on the home button of your Samsung phone. Now just circle on anything on the screen to search it. Just like that. And you can also use the Circle to Search feature in other apps. For example, if I open the web browser app, and from here, just tap and hold on the home button, then circle on anything on the screen to search it. Just like that. And also, if you want to use the digital assistant from Google, just open Settings, then tap on Advanced Features, tap on Side button, then tap on Long Press. And from here, instead of Power menu, just select Digital Assistant from Google. And by doing that, you will be able to enable the Digital Assistant from Google by pressing and holding the Power button. Just like that. But if you're talking about Galaxy AI features, then the Samsung Galaxy A17 does not have the Galaxy AI features. And this is how you can check if the Samsung Galaxy A17 have Samsung AI features or not. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.